Hi, I'm Jeremy and I work in customer service here at Evolution Industries. This is an instructional video on how to set up Evolution's internal seal system for use with the Limblogic from Willowwood. So if you ever wanted to use an internal seal with the Limblogic pump, this is the configuration for you. To set up this system, you will need an expulsion valve kit, part number VV01-002, and the red expulsion plate, part number VEP-002, expulsion plate for use with Limblogic. In your expulsion valve kit, you will use the valve plate, part number VMP-007, the expulsion valve housing, part number VV03-001, the large seal, and the small seal. You will not use the orange seal or the duckbill valve. Your red expulsion plate will come pre-assembled, and it will include the large seal for the old Limblogic pump and the orange seal for the new Limblogic pump. You will also receive 4 60mm screws. To set up your system, take the socket with the valve plate gunked in place. For more information on setting up the valve plate, check out the valve manual on our website. Once the valve plate is gunked into the socket, you'll take your small seal and insert it into the center of the mounting plate. Next, take the expulsion valve housing, screw it clockwise to secure it into the mounting plate. Using your wrench tool, part number WT001, tighten the housing to ensure a good seal on the distal end. Be careful not to over-tighten. Once the valve is set in place, take your red expulsion plate and your large seal and insert it into the recess. Keeping it secure, slide the red expulsion plate onto the green plate and align with the 4 holes. Next, take your Limblogic system. In this case, I have the older one, so I'll use the large seal, which fits into the recess. And again, slide it against and line up with the 4-hole pattern. Then take your 60mm screws, connect all the plates together. After the screws are tightened down, Inspect your plates. Make sure there are no gaps in between. Now, to show you how this system works, we're going to use a foam model of a residual limb fitted with an origin liner and one of our echo locking seals. Once the liner is donned over the residual limb, and the echo is also, be sure to lubricate the seal to aid in the donning process and also to protect the echo. Now, as the patient steps into the socket, air is going to be expelled out through the distal end, and you can press the release valve to expel the air faster. Once they're in, release the button, and they're held in suspension. Go ahead and turn on your Limblogic pump. Should suck the patient right in. So, in conclusion, this is the only distal configuration for using the Limblogic with an internal seal. The red expulsion plate is designed solely to work with our valve plate and the Limblogic system. Please note that the expulsion plate also comes with a one-way valve on the side as a backup measure. Should the Limblogic pump ever fail or run out of battery, suspension can still be achieved through expulsion. For more information, please call us at Evolution at 1-888-839-6213. Thank you.